fucking burnt out my headlights and my fog lights and shit. You're bringing the fucking truck through here, motherfucker. Careful, Max, it's like fucking deep as shit. Holy shit. Look at that guy's mailbox, dude. It's up to his mailbox. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, dude. Look at these mailboxes.